In this video, I will show you 13 tricks that helped me get my first order in only 14 days after creating the account on Fiverr. As you see, I created my account in June 2023 and got the first order in the 29th of June. Let's explain how. The first way is using different words in the title. I don't only write a title that explains my gig, but also write some other words to boost my chances of being seen by more buyers in the searching part. For example, when I search for analyze, Fiverr gives us 2,078 services. Yet when I search for analysis, Fiverr returns 22,672 services. So I included the words analyze and analysis in my title to increase my chances of being seen by more customers and getting my first Fiverr order. The second method, using keywords. Don't use keywords that are already in the title. Add keywords in maximum number. For example, if you use the term football in the title, do not include football as a keyword again. Instead, include soccer, which has the same meaning but different word. For example, if you don't do it and someone searches for soccer thumbnail on Fiverr, your gig will not appear. So be careful and attempt to include as many keywords as possible in positive keywords and title. The third way, including video and documents. Include a video on your gig that describes your work and why the buyer should choose you over another seller. Including video in your gig affects the Fiverr algorithm, resulting in your gig being presented to more customers. And if your gig is about copywriting, you must include your previous work as a PDF document on your gig. The fourth method, advertising your gigs on Discord and Facebook groups. Join freelancer Discord and Facebook groups and market your gig there. You may find them by doing a quick Google search. The fifth method, full profile. Fill out all of the information available on your Fiverr profile, such as education, certification, and skills. Because the Fiverr algorithm considers this information, it will affect your chances of having your gig presented to more customers. The sixth method, getting Fiverr courses. A free Fiverr course teaches you how to be an online freelancer and the fundamentals of Fiverr. I recommend you getting this free certification. You will teach things that can help you in the future, and it will again affect the Fiverr algorithm, and your gigs will be shown to more buyers. There are also many paid courses that you can enroll and learn new skills. It won't only affect positively to Fiverr algorithm, but also the customers will understand that you are a professional and will get encouraged to buy your service when they see your Fiverr certifications in your profile. Seventh way, setting the delivery time one day. It doesn't matter in how much days you will deliver the order, set your delivery time one day. Because if someone needs an order immediately, he will use the delivery time filter while searching, and the number of available services will be decreased. That means your chance to get your first order will be increased. Eighth way, add FAQ for algorithm. Adding question and answers on your gig affect the Fiverr algorithm and increase your chance to get more impressions. Even the customers don't check it. Try to add minimum one. If you can't find a question, you can ask to ChatGPT to find questions for you, or like me, you can add this question. Ninth way, creating 7 gigs. Create as many gigs as possible to increase your chances 7 times. If no new gig ideas spring to you, you can create the same gig with a different title, keywords, and description to maximize your chances again, as this man did. 10th way, focus on reviews, not money. Set a low gig price depending on your service quality and the time that it will take. Because in the beginning, the buyer won't trust you because of the reason that you don't have reviews. I set my first gig price $5 in the beginning and I got my first order with this trick. Then I got review and raised the price to $10, then $15. I didn't focus on the money, I focused on the reviews. 11th way, finding a goldmine niche. It is becoming increasingly difficult to compete with other sellers as time passes. As a result, you must discover a goldmine niche with little competitors. For example, I discovered a niche with only 135 services available, and with this niche, I got my first order. 12th way, staying online consistently. Try to stay online as much as possible. It will again increase your chance to get message from buyers, because if someone needs someone for work right away, he will filter the online sellers and contact with the online sellers. You can open Fiverr on your browser and do something else in another tab to catch more buyers. 13th way, taking Fiverr tests. Take tests as much as possible, because it will again affect the Fiverr algorithm, and your gig will get more impressions. Remember that you can only take a test twice in a 3 months time window. I've taken 2 tests so far, and Fiverr algorithm has connected me with more buyers. Last way, downloading Fiverr app on your phone. Download the app on your phone to get notifications and respond immediately when a buyer messages you. The inbox response time is very important for Fiverr algorithm, so try to respond as quickly as possible. I hope you have learned useful information and will succeed in getting your first order on Fiverr soon. I will teach you new Fiverr tricks in next video, so to be informed about it, subscribe to my channel. Finally, if this video was helpful for you, click the like button. See you in the next video.